All right, y'all, welcome back to the Eric and Tom Show. We are here with Joel, who's the owner of the cabinet shop here where we come, and I want to tune you into something they got going on. Really cool. So we're here about our piece, but I want to show you their gorgeous piece coming up. We're going to let you meet Joel, talk to Joe. He has got a stunning kitchen slab. Joe, how long is this? 15 feet long. This sucker is banging. Let me spin you around and show you. Check this out. 15-footer. Just beautiful. Look at the length on this guy. So what it is I got Joel to, he sprayed this off real quick, get some of the dust off and everything. He's got a couple of more coats to go with his top coat, getting this ready to go, but 15 foot. Look at the thickness on that. Joe, tell us a little bit about it. Where's it going?
It's going into Louisville in a kitchen. It's a peninsula top. So this will actually, or on that side, square out of it, where it'll mold into the side of the cabinet. And this will all be seating area. Almost 52 inches to the widest point here. And there'll be a large concrete column here that's supporting the whole thing besides my channels of metal for the underside.
So how do you go about hauling something this size, man?
We just tie a chain to it and drag it behind our van.
Tie chain and drag it behind the truck. I like it.
We have a 16-foot trailer enclosed. We'll haul it down there and not get anything. So,
Yeah, Joe, it's a beautiful piece, man.
biggest thing is to be carried.
Yeah.
I think I'm sick of that thing.
Yeah, I guarantee it, man. It takes some weight. Yeah. Hey, this is what I was telling y'all about at home. Check this out. See how they got their thing staged right here? You got the screw sticking up, so you can seal one side real quick and flip it. Set it right on these spikes right there, and you don't damage anything. Just makes a quick conversion, getting all that stuff done up. But thanks for letting us check this out, brother. Put it in our video. It's awesome. Let's go check out our top. So we got a bunch of work here to do. Got a little ways to go. This coming out. That's gonna be beautiful. Beautiful. Starting to get close. Check this out. Still see our squares over there that were in the blocks. We're almost there though. We're getting really close now. It's starting to really come together now. Check this out. Squares are gone. I know Tom's relieved. Take you over here where you can hear me. So he's cutting that off that thick. That is actually going to be, we're going to be sending that down the table saw here in just a little bit. And we're going to end up making possibly a back block to flip up on the wall there to really give this what it needs to finish out.
Whether you end up trying to miter the pieces in or end up with tile, it's up to you.
Look at that. Boy, it almost lines up like a champ. I think we can play with these a little bit to get that pinstripe closer.
Is it a wall or a cabinet that's going against?
It's in between two walls.
One of your places of play is to take out the drywall and scoot it back in